In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a staging copy in Site Tools and Siteground. We'll walk through exactly where to click inside your Siteground account so you can safely test changes without touching your live website. Start by heading to My Siteground. This is your account dashboard, the central place where all your websites and tools live. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Websites section and click it. This view lists all the sites connected to your hosting account, making it easy to choose the one you want to work on. Next, locate the specific website you want to clone into a staging environment and click Site Tools. Site Tools is SiteGround's control panel for that site, and it's where you'll find features like backups, email, speed tools, and what we're here for today, WordPress staging. Inside Site Tools, look for the WordPress section. Click WordPress to open the WordPress-specific tools for your site. This area groups together everything related to your WordPress installation, so you don't have to hunt around for it. Now click Staging. This takes you into the dedicated staging area for your WordPress site. Right at the top, you'll see an important reminder. Making changes directly on your live site is risky. Testing anything new on a staging copy first is highly recommended. That's exactly what this tool is for. Here you can create, manage, and later deploy a staging copy of your site, essentially a safe clone where you can test theme updates, plugin changes, new designs, and custom code without impacting real visitors. In this staging screen, you'll see options and information tailored to your site. The idea is simple. You create a copy, work on it privately, and when you're satisfied, you can use the built-in deployment options to push your changes back to the live site. This helps you avoid downtime, plugin conflicts, or styling surprises that would otherwise show up to your audience. It's also a great way to validate that performance, caching, and compatibility all check out before you go public. A couple of practical tips as you review this page. Make sure you're working on the correct site. If you manage multiple domains, keep an eye on available storage so your copy has room to be created, and read any notes or warnings displayed here. They're there to help you make informed choices. The staging area is designed to be straightforward and reversible, giving you the confidence to experiment and iterate safely. That's it. You've navigated from your dashboard to the exact place in Site Tools where staging lives, and you're ready to use SiteGround's built-in tools to create, manage, and deploy a staging copy with confidence.